Hey there, I'm Par, a developer and founder of Hash Studios. Today, we'll talk about some amazing Udon prefabs to make your development journey easier. We proudly introduce our finest prefab technology, a 100% original idea, the button.
Whoa.
Okay, leave the button alone, please. With our simple UI, it's easy to customize the prefab to your liking. Toggle whatever you want, whether globally or locally. Here, let us show you. Turn it on, please. Okay, now turn it off. Okay, good. Wait, what are you doing?
On, off,
Hey, stop that.
on, off.